If you want to add a virtual signature on all your Gmail, in this guide we're going to show you how to create and also customize multiple signatures to your Google Mail from your Windows PC or MacBook. To upload your Google signature, open up Gmail on your device. Click on this wheel icon to see all settings. Make sure you're under the General tab. Now scroll down till you find Signature. If you have no signature whatsoever, first just create a new signature. Click on it. Name your signature and then press Create. In this Edit section, you can write down literally anything that will work as your signature, including your name. You can then customize them using all these tools at the bottom. For example, you can add photos or logos if it's a professional sign. After that, you can click on it to make bigger or smaller. You can also add links or URL of your business or personal website or profile. Like this way, you can create multiple signatures if you want. Now, if you have a custom-made virtual signature template, instead of doing all this, you can just upload that photo in here. When you're done, you can select your audience to automatically send it to all your new outgoing or replied emails from now on. And select if you want to insert it before the coded replies. Finally, you can scroll down and don't forget to save it. Lastly, when composing emails, whatever sign you've set to appear will show up. And you can switch between your signature if you have multiple ones by clicking on this pen icon. You can even decide not to send any signature at all. And that's how you can create and upload a Gmail signature. Thanks for watching.